I'm Sam Amrola. I am the IT engineer in A+ Kitchens and Interior Design. You will have companies versus taking 5 days, it might just taking 1 day to finish a certain job. My expectation was that it's going to help us understand our flow and like you guys said once, it's supposed to help it talk to us, and I really feel like it did that.
Alex Tabrizi, A+ Interior Design and Remodeling. I've been here since I was a teenager, family business, been running it since I was a teenager, 30 plus years. I was really excited when I saw it at a show. I thought we definitely need something to help us organize the shop and help us put the pieces together. We thought about developing things on our own, so it was kind of nice that it was something there that could become a foundation to help run our factory better. Pretty similar to what you guys did. My expectations for the implementation was that you guys were going to come in and help, and you guys definitely did that. You definitely helped us put the pieces together to where now we can at least get some practice runs, and hopefully within the next 3 or 4 weeks, definitely improve our operation by being more organized. Yeah, I definitely feel that it's definitely going to help the sorting and assembly. It's definitely going to help us give us more of a visual of what each operation takes and what are the things that we should add to improve quality and what are the things we should take away if they're being wasteful. Thank you. Bye.